Projects let you track income, material costs and labour expenses for the work you do. This video will give you an overview of projects, including where to see all your projects, how to assign costs, and what details you can track. You can create a new project anytime you want to track the profitability of something your company is doing. The most important information for each project is visible here. This page lists all of your current projects and provides a snapshot of their profitability. Income, costs, profit margin, and even the number of hours worked are listed for each individual project. With projects turned on, you can assign costs to a project with this field on expenses, checks, and bills. And when you record the number of hours your employees worked, you can use this field to record which project they worked on. QuickBooks knows how much each employee's time costs the company by the hourly rates set up here. You can also enter the wages, taxes, and any other costs associated with an employee here, and QuickBooks will calculate their total hourly cost. As soon as you enter something related to a project, QuickBooks automatically updates that job's numbers here. For more details, just click a project and you can see a more detailed breakdown. Income comes from sales transactions like invoices and sales receipts, and costs come from timesheets, expenses, bills, and checks. QuickBooks uses all of this to give you a project's profitability. The Project Reports tab lets you see the profitability of your projects without any time costs by employee or supplier, and any time or expenses that you plan to pass along to your customer on a future invoice. If you want to know where all the numbers on your project reports come from, just select Transactions. And if you want to know how much time each employee spends on a project, just look in the Time Activity section. Projects help you understand where your money is coming from and going to, so you can make better business decisions.